Good morning, all of you. How are you all today? I hope you all are doing really good and you all are practicing all the letters very nicely. Yes, you should practice all the letters very nicely, huh, children? So, we are learning every day a new letter, a new sound. So, you all have to keep practicing, remember the sounds. Yes, so to children, today also we will listen to a very new sound and a new story. Okay, so are you all ready? Let's start, but before that, we will do our prayer. All right, children, join your hands, close your eyes, and repeat the prayer after me. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Okay, children, so this is the new story that is Nina and her new nest. अभी story का नाम क्या है? Nina and her new nest. Now let's see who this Nina is and what is the story about. A nightingale. Can you see a nightingale? Nightingale, children, is a very small bird and इसको हम nightingale क्यों बोलते हैं? Because they sing at night. ओके ये रात में बहुत ही ब्यूटिफुल गाना गाते हैं विद देयर माउथ, राइट? नाउ lives in a neem tree. Who? This nightingale lives in a neem tree. Her name is Nina. Can you see her singing in her neem tree? Her name is Nina. Now she was singing one stormy night. There was one stormy night. Now what is stormy night? स्टॉमी नाइट मतलब जब ज़ोर ज़ोर से हवाएं चलती है, झाड़ यहाँ से वहाँ ऐसे हिलते हैं, यू नो द ट्रीज हियर एंड देयर. हमारे वहाँ भी हुआ था स्टॉमी नाइट where the trees were just blowing here from there. So the trees were blowing and what happens? The nest falls from the tree. Can you see? नीना का जो नेस्ट है वो झाड़ से नीचे गिर जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ द विंड. इतनी ज़ोर से हवा आई कि वो जो नेस्ट था वो नीचे गिर गया फ्रॉम द ट्री. सी देयर वर 9 eggs in the nest. कितने eggs थे? 9 eggs in the nest and they all fall down from the tree. Now Nina started crying, oh my eggs, oh my nest, and she was very worried कि मेरे eggs, मेरे nest, now what should I do? And she was crying, she was so upset. Now Nikki the squirrel hears her the cry. Now Nikki को क्या आती है? आवाज़ आती है. अरे ये रोने की आवाज़ कहाँ से आ रही? So she follows, he follows near the sound. तो निकी ने क्या डिसाइड किया? लेट मी हेल्प नीना. सो ही कम्स एंड हेल्प्स हर. ही बिल्ड्स अ न्यू नेस्ट फॉर नीना. उसने क्या किया? एक न्यू नेस्ट बनाया ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर एंड नट शेल्स का. क्या किया उसने? एक न्यू स्ट्रॉन्ग नेट बनाया न्यूज़पेपर एंड नट शेल्स का. Okay, now all her 9 eggs are very safe in the new nest. जैसे ही उसने न्यू नेस्ट बनाया, Nikki the squirrel picked up all the eggs and kept into the new nest. So all the 9 eggs are safe and the Nina was very happy and she said, "Thank you so much, Nikki, for helping me." So children, what you learn from this story? We should help. Whenever you see someone in problem, you should help them, right? Nikki ne decided help Nina and saved her eggs, right? So this is such a good thing. And also Nina used your golden word, thank you, right? Now see the characters of the story. Nightingale, see, such a small bird, nightingale. Neem tree, nest, newspaper, nutshells. Can you see the nutshells? Yes. So children, this is the characters of the story. Now we will see the sound and the letters that we are learning. Okay. Okay children, so this is on your page number 11. Everybody has to open this page number.
Let us learn about the letter N. I am the letter N and I make the sound N.
Okay.
N.
So
as in no.
Okay. So what is this? This is the letter N. N says Nina, nightingale. Nikki, 9 eggs, name tree. So this is the letter N that we are learning today, and the sound is N. N.
Nose and N as in nuts.
N. Everybody touch your nose and say N. 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 Nose.
N is for my nose, which smells the food I eat. N is for the napkin that is clean and neat. N is for the nuts to nibble. N is for noodles that jiggle.
Okay, so children, there are so many things that starts with the letter N and the sound N. Night. जब रात होती है, रात को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Night. Nose. New. Newspaper. New मतलब कोई नई चीज़. Newspaper जिसमें हमें न्यूज़ मिलती है, जो हमारे आसपास क्या हो रहा है वो पता चलता है. Now we will listen to the sound and also so many things that starts with letter N.
Listen to the sound of the letter N. Nose, noodles, nuts, needle, napkin, net.
Okay, so there are so many things that starts with letter N. So children, you should remember all these sounds. जो भी मैं आपको sounds कराती हूँ, आप सबको याद रहना चाहिए with this letter. Okay, okay, the letter N, the sound is N. Okay, so now children, we will see how to write the letter N, and you are also going to write it in your notebook. So let's see how to write the letter N. Okay, children? Alright children, so just now we finished which page? This page, right? We listen to the sound of the letter N that says N, N, nose, noodles, nuts, needle, napkin, net. Okay, now children, we will see how to write the letter N. Okay, on your page number 12, you are going to see this page. You are going to write this letter N. Okay. Alright children, so let's start. How you are going to start? See, first what you are going to do, make one standing line, then one slanting line, then again one standing line makes the letter N. Now children, we will see how to write in the red and blue lines. Okay, this is the red and blue lines. You are going to trace it properly. So, how you are going to start? From the red line, come down till the blue line. Then again, start from the red line, make a slanting line till the blue line. Then once, start from the red line, come down till the blue line. Makes the letter N. That says N. See. Start from the red line, come down, touch the blue line. Start from the red line, come down, touch the blue line. Start from the red line, come down, touch the blue line, makes the letter N. Okay, so you have to complete this whole page children and also write it in the notebook. See, touch the blue line, then again touch the blue line, makes the letter N. That says N. See. See, like this, everybody. Come on, you all have to complete all these. जो भी ये पूरा है, you all have to complete this whole page. Okay. Now, see, if we want to write the small letter, how we will write the small letter N? We'll start from the blue line. See, make a standing line. Small जो blue line में उसमें आपको standing line बनाना है. Then you're going to make a curve from the blue line. Makes the letter N. See, one standing line, then a curve makes the letter N. One standing line, come down, then curve makes the letter N. One standing line, come down, curve from the blue line makes the letter N. Everybody. See, like this. Everybody have to complete this whole page. Okay, पूरा पेज कंप्लीट करना है. ऑल्सो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग दिस लेटर N. ओके, आप सबको लेटर N प्रैक्टिस करना है. ऑल ऑफ यू विल प्रैक्टिस दिस लेटर N. ऑल राइट. So now everybody keep practicing all the letters and the sounds. We will come in the next session. I will be showing you a new sound, a new letter, a new story. By the time, take care everybody. Bye all of you.